ever pondered about what sets a good resume apart? It's the ability to accurately and impressively present your work experience, skills, and achievements to potential employers. The right presentation could be the game changer in your job search process. Herein, we shall delve into different types of resume formats and some key tips to craft a resume that stands out. First, there's the chronological format. This format highlights your work history chronologically, starting with your most recent job. It's the go-to if you've had a strong career progression and wish to emphasize your continuous work experience. Kick off with an objective summary, followed by your work experience, education, and skills. Secondly, we have the functional format. Here, the spotlight is on your skills and achievements rather than the chronology of your work history. It's perfect if you're transitioning careers or have gaps in your employment history. Start with a skills summary, followed by your work experience, education, and other relevant sections. Then there's the hybrid format. This format marries elements from the chronological and functional formats. It highlights your skills at the outset, followed by work experience in chronological order. This format is versatile and allows you to spotlight both skills and career progression. Lastly, we have the achievement format. This format zeroes in on specific achievements you've bagged in your previous roles. List your most notable successes and back them up with quantifiable data whenever possible. It's ideal for those who wish to showcase tangible results. Now let's shift gears to some tips to create an impressive resume. First, customize your resume. Tailor your resume to match the position you're applying for. Highlight the skills and experiences most relevant to the job at hand. Secondly, highlight your achievements. Instead of merely listing previous responsibilities, highlight your achievements and how they positively impacted the company. Use concrete data to back up your claims whenever possible. Thirdly, use keywords. Include relevant keywords for the industry and the specific job. Many companies use applicant tracking systems that search for these keywords. Fourthly, maintain a clean and professional design. A clean, easy-to-read design is crucial. Use a consistent format, legible fonts, and ensure the key information stands out. Fifthly, include a skills section. Highlight your key skills at the start of the resume. This allows employers to quickly identify your strengths. Sixthly, add a summary section. Include a brief summary at the start of the resume that highlights your strengths and career goals. This will catch the employer's attention right off the bat. Lastly, review and edit. Review and edit your resume carefully to avoid grammatical and spelling errors. Get others to review it for additional feedback. In conclusion, the key to crafting an impressive resume lies in customization and effective presentation of your skills and achievements. Choose a format that best suits your experience and follow these tips to stand out amongst applicants and increase your chances of landing the job you desire.